the Department of Education in KZN that is sitting with teacher development, because we are mostly about professional development of teachers, and we have developed a program in isiZulu, ufundisa ufundo abangena phansi ngolimi lwesiZulu, and why in isiZulu. So my presentation is there. To start our conversation by looking at the professional development materials that are here. And why are we here? It is because the department is dealing with communities, and we as a people, we also are part of that ecosystem. So we're just here to contribute to make it a point that our learners are doing for meaning, because it is a crisis for all of us. So when we look at the professional development materials that are in the system, the main aim is to assure our teachers as well as the department that whatever that we are bringing is not contradicting what is already existing in the system. It is important for us then to understand what are the professional development materials that are existing. And today we are here for the toolkit, professional literacy toolkit. When we look on top of the toolkits that are there in the system, there is extra toolkit, we have multiple toolkit. So it means now we are going to act in these toolkit. That is why we are here to talk about the toolkit, so that we can add in those toolkits that are already existing in the system. For us, the main purpose of us looking at the right way of teaching African languages, in particular KZN isiZulu, it is because 2021 PERS results are telling us that our learners are sitting at 81% in grade 4 who are struggling to read for meaning, and in September PERS is coming. So we are all worried on how the results are going to look like. So this is why we decided to say, okay, let's go back to the drawing board and assist our teachers and strengthen their knowledge in how they